I think we're gonna get started. So first of all, thanks all for joining this webinar today. The webinar analyzing feedback from any source with Netigate Insights. Really happy to be here. Then before we dive deeper, a quick introduction. I'm Rudo. I'm the head of customer success here at Mopinion. Been part of Mopinion now for just over 5.5 years. I live in Rotterdam, so very close to our office in Rotterdam as well. I'm lucky to be able to cycle to work every day, just 10 minutes, very convenient. But now I'm actually in Stockholm at the Netigate office, so a different scenery here, of course, with the snow we had here yesterday. And I'm joined here in the webinar today with Emmi, my new colleague.
Yes, thank you, Rudo. Lovely to meet you, everybody. I'm Emmi. I'm leading the customer success from the Netigate Insights part. Like Rudo said, he lives 10 minutes across the office. I also do the same, but I do live in Helsinki, where the Netigate Insights are mainly located in. I am currently in Spain to have things a bit more interesting and international. And it is a pleasure to get to know you a bit more and introduce you with Netigate Insights as well.
Thank you, Emmi. So let's get going. Of course, the reason we are all here, most of you will already know the news, but of course, a very exciting step for Mopinion happened September. So still very fresh 2 months ago when Netigate was acquired, or sorry, when Mopinion, of course, was acquired by Netigate. So we are now fully part of Netigate Group. Really exciting times ahead of us. So, for those of you who don't know Netigate, maybe it's actually good to take a step back and also explain a little bit about Mopinion. For those of you who are here who don't know Mopinion, just in case, Mopinion, we are a platform that allows you to collect and analyze customer feedback from your digital channels. So very digitally focused. Of course, then Netigate. Netigate is a Swedish European-born experience management platform, focusing, as we see it from Opinion, on the more traditional CX side. So think about the longer surveys, the market research surveys, SMS surveys, WhatsApp, and also employee surveys. And they all bring this really nicely together in the Netigate Insights platform, an AI-driven platform. Um, so that's a little bit of background on Netigate, but Emmi will elaborate, of course, a little bit more later during this demo. So, what are we here for today? Most importantly, what you will learn today is how to get the most of your feedback data using Netigate Insights. So that's before, that's what Emmi will show you. Then, of course, very important how Netigate actually complements Mopinion's own AI capabilities. All our Mopinion customers know we have our capabilities with our smart recaps function. And for me, it's very exciting to see now how Netigate actually really complements these AI capabilities. They're really strong on AI, so that's a great addition to Mopinion there, and we strengthen each other a lot in terms of AI. Furthermore, how to analyze data from external sources. So external sources can, of course, be very different. It can be things like online reviews, your Google Play Store reviews, for example, Trustpilot reviews, basically any type of source, which of course includes Mopinion as well. So that's very nice to be able to bring that all together in one source. And lastly, of course, what you will learn today is how to customize your analysis experience with agentic AI by training it to work according to your needs. We know, of course, that Mopinion AI output is very it doesn't allow you to adjust it accordingly, and Netigate is able to do that really, really well. So that's really exciting to be able to share. Um, and before I forget, as I always do, of course, we have a Q&A at the end. So really feel free at any time to drop any questions in the Q&A box that you should be seeing below. We should have plenty of time to ask all your questions at the end of the webinar. So feel free to drop them at any time. Great. And then, yeah, I'll hand it over to Emmi from here.
Thank you, Rudo. Like Rudo mentioned that we are here, we are a European player. Being a European is very important for us. And Rudo nicely explained that Mopinion has especially been known for their digital experience. Whereas perhaps Netigate has been more focused on the customer experience and employee experience. But now we want to be a full European experience platform that is led by AI. So that is definitely what we are here to do. As mentioned, we are one connected platform. We want to unify the feedback, the experience from every single touch point. So no matter where your data is and how you gather it, we want to make sure that we're able to help you to analyze it. We are giving you a lot of AI-powered insights. We are turning complexity into clarity and really making sure that you understand what matters the most. And like say, being European is an advantage that we take seriously. So GDPR, we take it seriously. We are DORA, EU AI Act, all of that, all the data stays in EU. So that's very important for us. Sorry, moving on to what is then Netigate Insights? So we are an AI-driven CX platform. CX, also EX. CX is where we started our journey, and now also focusing on EX since we want to be the experience platform as a total. But we started as a CX platform. We are really focusing on AI-powered analytics and especially on the open text feedback. So you get it's good to know what is your NPS, what is your CSAT, what is your customer effort score, but what is it really behind it? That's where we see that the hot potato is at, and we really want to help you analyze the data and understand the voice of customer. And one of the most crucial items that we feel is, of course, having the analysis, having the data with you real time, and also having it really actionable. And also providing, it doesn't matter if the data comes in Hindi or as it comes in Dutch or Swedish, everybody's still able to understand that. So we are translating over 60 different languages so that you're able to understand no matter where the feedback is coming from. Good. But I think theory is good. It's nice to know, but I think what everybody is really looking forward is to see the platform. So give me a minute. So I shall share my other screen with you.